Now guys, some are wondering how to get a speed bump. They stand on it first with one wheel, then with the other wheel. At this moment the suspicious elements are on the heavy load, which disables them. Therefore, it's better to pass the speed bump by stepping on it with both wheels at the same time. Thus the suspicions last a long time. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, Mercedes Suspicions is very reliable. Here the struts and rubber bushings of the stabilizer are mainly changing. On irregularities, the Suspicions is very noisy. I basically have to change them every summer, both on one side and on the other side. On the channel I have a video on replacing the stabilizer struts. Then a large lever. For 5 years of exploitation has not changed. The silent block have not changed, and the ball ones have not changed. Even now, they look perfect. Then the springs were changing in a circle one time. Shock absorber struts changing on the rear Suspicions. The front one are in good condition. I changed the brake hose on the front Suspicions 2 times, since the brakes need to be better monitored. And I change steering tips every 2 years. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, the steering rack of a Mercedes to go for a very long time. It all depends on the condition in which the answer were on it. If the answer have broken through the water, sand has entered the inner steering rack, then such a steering rack will not last long. The fact is that there are oil seals in the rail cylinder, which must be replaced after a leak. The oil seals fails due to the ingress of solid particles that can even damage the steering rack rod. The steam is either ground or, in the worst case, greened or changed. Intoxicated, if you follow the answer, then such a rail will last not 3 or 4 years. For all the time exploitation, once went over the steering rack. On the channel I have a video on dismantling and replacing all the steering rack oil seals. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, the rear suspension of Mercedes, the multi-link and runs even longer than the front. Here on the rear suspensions I changed the spring twice, they broke. Then I changed the shock absorber once and did not change the rear brake hose. Large rear suspensions arm have not changed. Floating silent blocks are mainly changed. I changed them 2 times during the entire period of exploitation. The rear suspensions arm did not change it. Only one arm changed. There they break the bushings. They need to be pressed out and new ones pressed. And the lever change when the bushing seats expands. The bushings themselves cost a penny. Friends, now the outer CV joint with answer did not change it on other side. Inner CV joint were changed once. The cost of the spot is $15 used. On the channel I have a video on replacement, bushings, levers, silent blocks, CV joint and all rear suspension spot. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.